Yashwini and I am from Hyderabad. I am an MTech graduate. I completed my Masters in 2020. I joined Skilling for a Master's course in Electric Vehicle Design and Analysis. From Skilling, I got placed in Tata Elxsi. I got to see a post of Skilling for a workshop in LinkedIn, and then I registered for that workshop. I joined that workshop and completed it. Then later, Skilling customer support team has called me. They also told that they have different sections of the courses in them. They explained me everything. Like I got interested in electric vehicle design and analysis. I joined Skilling for a master's course in electric vehicle design and analysis. And as part of that course, it started with MATLAB and Simulink for electrical and mechanical engineers. And then in continuation with that, I also completed courses on ADAS and AUTOSAR. Along with that, battery management systems and many other part of that courses. And the part which I like about Skilling is the technical knowledge in it is very similar to the reality outside. It is more of the industrial projects. The projects or the content which Skilling provide is more relevant to the industry outside. So one can learn technical skills here very perfectly, and they are very useful to us when we go outside into an industry and work there. The job I have applied for is EV engineer, which is on the designing of electric vehicle and all. So the content of this course, such as MATLAB or Simulink, ADAS and AUTOSAR, those are very useful to crack the interview basically. Most of the questions which they ask are mostly from the classes which Skilling has conducted, and also the projects which we did from Skilling. Customer success team has truly did a great job in mine. They started giving information in every bit. They'll be giving us information about different companies. They also remind us every time, saying you have completed this much of course, you are into this. You can complete this later. You can complete this now. Every information they have given us about the placements also. They gave us moral support. They helped me in doing my resume. They helped me in doing my LinkedIn profile and Skilling profile. They gave us their support in every possible way. I definitely tell them that take this course a bit seriously. You have all the knowledge out in this course available for you. Whatever the real-time knowledge you need outside when you go out for work, you are available for every bit of it here in Skilling, be it the classes, be it the project and all. It's a very good opportunity for you to know all those, to learn the technical skills. This will definitely help you a lot. Take it very seriously and complete them on time to use maximum of it. I joined Skilling for a master's course on electric vehicle design and analysis to pursue my career in EV domain. The same way I got placed in Tata Elxsi for EV engineer. I'm looking forward to have a successful career in EV domain, in every possible way. I'm still trying to learn new courses from it, which will be helpful for me in my near future. I'm truly looking forward to learn new courses from Skilling. Thank you.